Okay, so now we are all here. Thank you for joining everyone. So Jasper, we specifically wanted to check in you today. How have you been feeling lately?
Hi, Brokal. Thanks for asking. I'm just a bit overwhelmed, but I'm managing really.
Thanks for sharing that, Jasper. I know the workload has been heavy. Remember, it's okay to be honest. If things are becoming too much, we're here to support you.
Mm, in my culture, we don't usually express struggle or ask for help. It feels like a burden I have to carry, even if it's hard.
Jasper, I completely get where you're coming from. Cultural values around work can make it tough to admit it overwhelmed. But in this work environment, we encourage speaking up. It's about sustaining your well-being so you can thrive.
Exactly. Jasper, the dedication you show is incredible, and we appreciate it deeply. But sometimes balance is a key. Maybe we can consider option like spreading out deadline or even scheduling short wellness break. What do you think?
Mm, I don't want to be seen as less as reliable or create more work for others. It just feels like complicated.
It's natural to feel that way, but prioritizing your health shows strength and responsibility. Think of it as a leading by example. Others will see that self-care is a part of being committed team member.
We can definitely adjust things. I'll be happy to set up a check-in schedule or explore wellness resources we offer. How does that sound?
Um, I think if you adjustment would help. Maybe having a bit more time and some breaks during the day could really make a difference.
Oh, that's great. First step, we work on it together. Thanks for sharing, Jesper. It's really important to us that you feel supported.
Thank you, everyone. This conversation really helps.
Thank
You're
you, thank you.
welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. So we're gonna end this call. I appreciate it to all of you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Brocal. Have a good day.
Have a good day.